Well, I hope you all can prepare yourselves for a little bit of mini Tailosive Unboxed. Stopped at the P.O. box today and picked up 2 packages. I'm not sure if it's enough for a Tailosive Unboxed, but vlogs are happening every day regardless, so figured I can open these for you here. Have an idea for what one of these might be. We talked a little bit about it on the Tailosive Talks podcast. And it looks like I may have been right. Oh my God, a black leather case. Get this stupid thing out of there. Look at that, that's a certified Apple leather iPhone 10 case. That's really cool, I can't wait to try that. See if they included a letter of sorts. It looks like they did. I'm really bad at opening letters, so you don't get to see that. So this is a quick little format that says, I have to return this iPhone 10 to the person who mailed it to me before December 15th of 2018. Must be taken care of and may not be returned with cosmetic damage, but I don't have to pay for it monthly. But thank you very much to this fan who sent me the iPhone 10 leather case and, you know, this thing, whatever this is. Regardless, let's see what's in the other box. I believe this is a different address. This looks like a very certified actual business packaged box, so I'm guessing this is a company that sent this, whatever it is. Oh, interesting. It looks like a Qi-supported car charging mount. Wireless charger vehicle dock. Interesting. I believe they emailed me about this a little bit. I hope it's not limited to the Galaxy S5. Wonder how long this technology's been around. But I will always take more Qi chargers if I can. I can put them everywhere. My goal is to get to a point in which I can just throw my phone and it'll land on a Qi charger. Let's see, we got a micro USB cable here, typical. But I have plenty of those. Looks like a little mounting adapter here. Then on the inside, there you go. There's your Qi charger. And this apparently sucks onto either your windshield, I'm guessing, because that's a suction cup there. And then there's a micro USB plug right there. And that's what that plugs into. Cool, very fascinating. I'll try that out. They also included a little box in here. I'm not sure what this is. This might be something different. Retractable absorption wireless charger holder. Now, is this a whole different charger entirely? Oh, wow, it might be actually. Oh, whoa. Okay, so there's a little, oh, okay. I don't want to peel this off. This is an adhesive. But look at this. USB plug on this side, but it retracts. At least I thought it retracts. Do I have to twist it? Oh, God. So this little plug is how you retract it. So you can pull out the USB cable as long as you want when I press this. Ow, that hurt, jeez. So it's a magnet on this side, and then I believe you attach the other end of the magnet to the inside of your phone, like you put it in your phone case or something. That's interesting. I'm curious to see how that works. That's kind of cool though. I've never seen a USB plug do that. Very dangerous. It actually cut my nail open there, if you can see that. Yikes. But this is so cool. I can't wait to try on the leather case. Might have to throw this in the garbage. We'll see. But very, very cool. Thanks for sending me this. So last but not least was an extra box we got a day after. It's now Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, Louise. Thanks for holding the camera. This is sent to me not by a fan, but by a company called Braven, which sends a premium version of over-ear wireless headphones, which I'm very curious to try because I don't have a lot of these. And these do not look by any means cheaply made, and they're supposedly very premium. They cost a bit much, a little bit more than AirPods actually. So I'm hoping that they sound as good, and they might make really good editing headphones because they cancel out audio, which would be neat. Ooh, nice little traveling case. Well packaged. Got the little, you can lay flat in there, I guess, and it can fit in. Okay. Move up. Dang. Okay, look how they fold in there. It's kind of interesting. Now, I swear to God, if they charge with micro USB, I will lose. They do. That's normal. Headphone jack included. Even though they're wireless, they include several wires. I guess if you want that direct audio jack inline, you can do that. Wow. Oh, look at all the touch controls they have on here. You can pause it, you can skip, volume up, down. That's kind of cool. Rewind from the sides. So I'm guessing this is the right side, that's the left side. These feel really well made. It's definitely, yeah, that's metal. And then the cushions on the side are very comfortable. So hopefully this doesn't hurt to wear, because that's one reason I was never a fan of over-ears, is they kind of hurt my hair after wearing them for a long time. So let's peel that off. So I have my other iPhone 10 here. Let's see if I can pair these. Looks like a switch maybe. Turns on the blue light. Ooh, they're already doing their noise canceling thing. Oh, powered on. It's very quiet. I can't hear anything. Whoa. These are dangerous. There could be like someone getting murdered outside and I wouldn't hear. I can pretty much only hear my voice and like wind. I can hear like wind. It's not showing up in Bluetooth. That's where I thought it would be. Oh, to pair I have to press and hold. Okay, that's what the instructions say. Oh, here they go. Braven headphones. We are now connected. Time to listen to something.
Wow, that was really quick and easy.
Very seamless. I wish they would just start in pairing mode. It's a little unintuitive, but... Ooh.
I can hear it from here.
They're very intuitive. I can't hear anything now.
Really?
I can't hear. They do sound pretty good. Can you hear them?
Yeah, I can hear them. Can I try it? That's super loud.
They got a little bass. First impressions is that the noise canceling thing is very nice. That works really well. The actual sound quality of the headphones is pretty hit or miss. Treble's fine, but bass isn't very thumpy. I've heard a lot better basses. Everyone loves to hear how I describe bass. But maybe I'm just spoiled with AirPods and the HomePod. But yeah, if I'm looking for something, like definitely if I'm going on a flight at some point, this would be nice. The noise cancellation works very well. But I think in terms of audio quality, I'd go with something else, like AirPods. These don't sound as rich. And these usually make me sweat a lot when they're covering up my hair and my ears. So, but I'll try them out for a while and see how they last.